Hey there! Welcome to this Metricom Explainer. Let's talk about managing laundry chemical buildup in your home. Let's dive in. That fresh laundry scent you absolutely love, it might actually be polluting your indoor air. We often confuse heavy fragrances with cleanliness. But true clean means a safe, dry, and well-managed space. Many products have chemicals that evaporate into VOCs, volatile organic compounds, that just linger in the air we breathe. Vulnerable folks like kids, pregnant women, and asthma patients suffer the worst irritation from this hidden chemical buildup. It's a nasty chain reaction. Chemical residues meet poor ventilation, leading straight to repeated inhalation and physical irritation. 5 main culprits worsening your air quality. The biggest ones? Overdosing detergent, masking odors, and unvented dryers. So, how do we fix this? Let's walk through some practical steps to reduce chemical buildup during regular laundry cycles. Step 1. Go fragrance-free. Unscented products often still use hidden chemicals just to mask natural odors. Step 2. Measure your detergent precisely. Overdosing leaves residues on fabrics and massively spikes your indoor pollution. Step 3 is improving ventilation. Increasing air exchange is the best way to actively flush out those lingering VOCs. Step 4. Control moisture. Drying clothes quickly and cleaning machine seals prevents mold and gross microbial growth. Step 5 is safe storage. Keeping chemicals separated prevents accidental mixing, which can literally create dangerous gases. Step 6, protect sensitive people. Never ignore fragrance complaints. They're often a massive red flag for real exposure issues. Using a management checklist like this turns your laundry routine into a proactive, strictly controlled indoor air quality process. The big takeaway? A genuinely clean environment shouldn't have to rely on heavy perfumes just to mask reality. So think about this before your next load. Are you actually cleaning your clothes or just polluting your air?